Minnie! Manny! It's been 3 months today. You still haven't come back. All right, you mock. I have your ball right here. Hop! Go fetch it! Hop! Go fetch it again!
Huh? Ha-ho! I grabbed it before you did! You're tickling me, you mug! Stop! Stop! Don't do that! All right, take your ball. Here! Nashi! Nashi! Won't you come back inside for breakfast?
I'll be right there, Mutlu! That's a good boy, you mock. Hop!
Father!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning!
Dad, is there something different about you?
What is it? What is it?
Well, it's really nothing, guys.
Dad, there is something. Come on.
Okay, kids, you are correct. My beard is gone from my face.
Daddy!
Today, I wanted to trim my beard a little, but I accidentally shaved it all off.
It looks good on you, dear. Don't be embarrassed.
Daddy, it turns out that you have the sweetest cheeks in the neighborhood.
I'll kiss them too. They're sweet. Mwah! Oh, it's a good thing you shaved your beard, and you look even younger.
Well, since it makes you happy, from this day forward, my face shall be clean.
Come on, it's almost school time. Let's finish our breakfast.
I think Neshe's not so hungry, is she?
I don't feel too much like eating right now.
But why not, dear? What's wrong?
You know what's wrong. She misses both Minnie and Manny.
We miss them a lot too, dear. But all we can do is wait till they come back.
And you have this tennis game today, right?
It slipped my mind. I need to get ready for that.
But first, your breakfast.
Yum, 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 yum. Mm. Well, Mommy, I say bless your hands.
Neşe, are you all right, hon?
Yeah, no, I'm totally fine, Mom. In fact, I will win today's game. Trust me.
Minnie, Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment